All right, y'all. I decided to bring my walnuts up to the house so I won't have to be in a rush trying to finish them up on the hill, because it's getting ready to rain, I believe. I know it's supposed to rain tomorrow. And I just decided I didn't want the walnuts to get wet anymore. So I try to keep them dry, and I come up here and up to the house and try to finish them off. That's what they looking like right now. So I just peel the crust off of them. Find somewhere to pour them so they can dry. I might end up pouring them down here somewhere. Get some cardboard box. Yeah, let them dry out. I got that. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I don't know what I was saying, except for trying to get the walnuts out the rain so I can have them up here, and I can be out here when it's raining if I want to, and do what I'm doing with the walnuts. If I can do 5, 6, or 10 a day, that'll be good. So far, I have a half a bucket full. Well, yeah. I'm about ready to quit now. I'm getting tired of doing one thing. I'm ready to do another thing. 5 minutes ago, I was cutting the hedges because I wanted to do it, but now I got back on these. I'll find something else to do later. Yeah, y'all take it easy. Bye.